It's rib night here at Griller Instinct, and what goes great with ribs? Guacamole. So, we're going to make some guacamole. We're going to use some white onion, limes, serrano peppers, cilantro, avocado, salt, pepper, some olive oil there in the back. Here's the first step. Dice your white onion and throw it into the molhete. Dice 2 serrano chilies and throw them into the molhete with the diced onion. Some people remove the seeds. I say that's ridiculous. In goes a big handful of chopped cilantro. We're going to add some kosher salt, and we'll start off muddling these 4 ingredients together. The base is muddled up. Now we're going to cut 5 avocados. Those are 4. There's actually 5, and they're going in. Avocados in. Next, we're going to add the juice of 3 limes. Next, add some olive oil. Good. And lastly, some fresh ground pepper. Thank you, Maya. Finally, we'll fold all the ingredients together. Guacamole's ready. Tastes good. Everybody's coming in about half an hour, so we're going to cover it with saran wrap so it doesn't turn brown. Press the saran wrap down onto the guacamole to keep air off of it. Just like that.
Let's do this. Hi.